Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Menteri rang bak jelaw Konrad K Sangma, hak arpulai terik jemang arajar arpo. Ulapha ya ukerwa sengulem syaki bahiyang hasam, jong editor berem kakot kubor kenjat syai, uba various star nongsit bulaklat no nagning slapar thaya jan mi jong arpu atre ujemang arajar arpo hadin beloya jing stom kabalak hamslam lakat tukat nipor haba pen pawi kurwa ngolem lingba ka batisi menteri rang ba ula pen pawi ya jing songsi halor ni jing klat no jong ba nongsit ubalalong uwei na kinong thok kubor ubala tebet ba hakakam bat uba nongsit la sedang ya kakam thok kubor ningkong hakakot kubor maupor bat hadin kani ula chimti kum editor jong kakot kubor upek ngor Bat tak hadu bo undak lat no nagani slapar thai ulalong padu editor jong kakot kubor kenjat syai.
It's a big loss because was our press fraternity is not very large, so therefore I think every individual who's there has really contributed a lot. He also has contributed a lot, and it's a big loss to the press fraternity as well as to the state. I would like to convey my deepest condolences to the family members and pray to God that his soul may rest.